going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Tucker's Outdoor Adventures. It used to be Tucker's Dreamscapes, but that's no more. There's a lot of reasons behind it. I won't go into detail on this video, but as a lot of you are probably aware, this week or this weekend, some of you are already getting it. We had a winter storm coming through. So this is kind of like a pre-storm video here. Once the storm hits, I don't know, the way they're talking, it's gonna be a catastrophic ice storm. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad to where the power will go out, but we're prepared for it. Get propane for the grill, propane for the heater, plenty of food if the power does go out. So this is the new channel, for all the new people around, or just now seeing this channel. My name's Randy. My wife is Rhonda. Basically, we're going to be doing some hunting and fishing for you. We are going to be grilling, barbecuing, camping trips, product reviews, honest reviews. We're not going to endorse a product that we don't stand by. So all the stuff that we'll be, talking about, reviewing, stuff we have actually used. And we're going to stand by that and be true and honest about that. But we're basically just doing a relaunch. The lawn care, it was great while it lasted, but for many reasons we decided just to end that, both YouTube and professionally. It just many reasons, personal, financial. We just thought it'd be the best bet, which it was. It's been a good decision. In the long run, I'll tell the story, later on down the road. We're looking into getting into this more, refocusing our lives, doing better. As for Rhonda, she's doing good. She'll be on here with me a couple of times, and she's been working hard on the off season. She's actually got her hunter's education done, got her hunter's license, so she'll be going on some hunts with us this year. Kind of excited about that, for her to join us and be able to film or even hunt herself. I could stand by and watch her hunt a couple of times and enjoy it. There's a lot of change. Y'all learn that through the next couple of months and on the off season of deer season. may do some turkey hunting. We ain't really decided yet. But as far as that, we're just trying to stay healthy, stay positive about things. We're getting ready for this storm to come through. You can see it's already getting a little cloudy. It's supposed to hit us, I believe, Saturday night. And I think it's going to be coming through Louisiana and Georgia, maybe Tennessee, sometime in the morning, I believe is what the weather was calling for, but I don't know. We was kind of hoping for more snow than ice, but way the map and patterns are looking, it just seems like it's gonna be more ice than anything. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick video and just talk to y'all for a little bit. Just introducing myself. If y'all don't know who I am already. But guys, girls, whoever's watching, y'all have a good day, and we hope y'all enjoyed the content that's to come. We look forward to it, and we'll see y'all guys very soon. Later.